Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today here I'm back with a new recipe, banana rice cake, or you may say banana matlab kala pithe. So without any skip, watch my full video and know how to make this recipe. So it is very easy to make. You can make at home and know how to make this recipe. I'll give you in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon below to get the latest update video. So let's get started. Banana is one of the favorite fruits all over the world. You have to take a dozen of banana or more. Now you have to peel the cover one by one in this way. Now here I took the crushed kaju. I have crushed it so properly, or cashew nut. Now take some cardamom and peel the cover of it so that you can make powder of it. So it is very rare to get a person who doesn't eat banana. If you use a ripened sweet banana, then they will give you the best result. So first mash all the bananas. Bowl of rice powder, just like this, see? And now add the bananas and smash it one by one. If you are watching this video, then I think you will never throw the ripened banana anymore. It is very easy but too delicious dish you have ever tasted. I will show you this Bengali pithe recipe step by step and procedure. You have to continuously mix it properly. See, I took all the seed. Now it is time to crush it and make powder. Only the seeds we need. Don't try to add any water. Just you have to mash it properly and mix it properly. It will be just like this, a thick batter and thick consistency. See, it has been a perfect batter. No water needed. Now add 2 cups sugar. First I am adding here 1 cup sugar. Now I'll mix it properly. After that you have to again add sugar and dissolve the sugar properly in the batter. Now we have to add the crushed kaju. See, we have crushed it so that it can be mixed and it can be cooked properly. Now we are adding suji, or you may say semolina in English. I took here 2 cups of suji. Again mix it properly. You can only use rice powder to make this pithe, but if you add maida or flour, all-purpose flour, then it will be more tastier. I added here 2 cups of maida and just mix it properly and make a batter, a thick batter. You can see we have not added water also, but it has been so perfect. If you mix with hand, then it will be a perfect batter or a mixer, just like this. After that, I am adding here some elaichi or cardamom powder. It will give a good flavor and smell. If you need again banana, then add some peeled banana again and smash it. If you like more sugar, you may add as per required. Now heat the karai. I'm adding here half kg refined oil. Refined oil is important here to fry the batter. Let it heat for a while. You must always fry in the low flame. If you fry in the high flame, the batter may burn from outside and it will not be cooked from inside. The oil is ready. I took here a pepper in a bowl. Add the mixer to check the temperature. Now it's ready. Make a small ball shape and just fry it in the oil. The way I am frying, just add like that. Fill the karai with the banana mixer. Check out the flame of the gas. It must be in a medium flame. So I am about to complete it. Now check whether the downward part has been cooked or not. The mixer ball has been so floppy. Now one side has been cooked and it has been turned out in a golden brown color. Just fry the another side for 2 to 3 minutes again. You must be careful, the gas should be in a medium flame. The pitha looks so crispy from outside, but it will be so soft from inside. Now remove it from the oil and serve it in a paper. The paper will soak all the oil and it becomes oil free. Now our banana cake or color pitha is ready. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and give me the review in the comment section box. So again I will come back with a new recipe. So stay updated. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.